Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable location of this tablet. First of all, open Tab menu and look for location icon, then tap on it. As you can see, this pop-up will show up. Over here you need to select close unit, and when I go back into Tab menu, I can see that location is now off. You can turn it back on by clicking at the same icon. You can also go into device settings, scroll down, choose location over here and manage it by tapping on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!